Hello! Let's meet in, on, at 7 o'clock p.m. I want to discover what happened in, on, at 1990. I will be having a meeting in, on, at Monday.
Good day, English learners! Do you also have a problem what prepositions you should use when you are talking about time? Whether it's in, on, and at. Worry no more, cause I got you. I am Teacher Gabriel, and today, let's talk about the prepositions of time. Now, to easily know about this, let's have the inverted pyramid. Let's discuss first about the preposition in. We use this preposition when we are talking about centuries. For example, 13th century. We also use preposition in when we are talking about decades. For example, the 1990s. We also use this preposition when we are talking about years. For example, 1990, 2020, 2024. We also use this when we are talking about months. For example, January, February, March, April. We also use this when we are talking about weeks. For example, 5 weeks. We also use this when we are talking about season. For example, spring, winter, autumn, and fall. Once again, we use preposition in when we talk about centuries, decades, years, months, week, seasons. Now, let's move on to the preposition on. We use this preposition when we are talking about days. For example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We also use this when we are talking about dates. For example, April 22, 2024. Finally, let's talk about the preposition at. Preposition at is used when we are talking about specific time. We use this when we are talking about hours. For example, 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m. We also use this when we are talking about the parts of the day. For example, midnight and night. Now, let's practice. I will flash a sentence and your goal is to identify what is the correct preposition. I have a meeting in, on, at May 1, 2024. In, on, at 8 p.m. The correct answer is on and at. But why? Because here we have May 1, 2024 and That is day. That's correct. And in day, we use the preposition on. However, we have here 8 p.m. And 8 p.m. is an hour. And for an hour, we use the preposition at. We use in when we are talking about in general. For example, we have centuries, decades, years, months, seasons, and parts of the day. Now, let's move on to the preposition on. We use this preposition when we are talking about days. We also use this when we are talking about dates. Finally, let's talk about the preposition at. Preposition at is used when we are talking about specific time. We use this when we are talking about hours. We also use this when we are talking about the parts of the day. Now, your turn to answer this question. Did you get the perfect score? If yes, very good.